New gear ratio. This one is now a 8 front, 51 rear. I made the front myself. It really isn't all that great. It does shake and chatter and chitter a lot, but you can see my chain isn't all that great, or my by the way, I am running lead acid, not fully charged, so the voltage will sag a lot. So that's the main reason it doesn't accelerate, but man. Yeah, cut out on us, but man, oh man. Wow. That chain is worn, rear sprockets, it's not the worst, but it's also not that great. That's not very even. If I were to take it off, you'd see, or if I were to show you, I can spin it. You can just look at all the teeth, and they're not exactly even. But, wow. Isn't that interesting? Oh, and my new mounting system, now that I have the smaller sprocket, I couldn't have it mounted at that pole there anymore. It's too high. It was hitting the bottom here. Now there's decent chain clearance. I think we were rubbing here a lot. Yeah, it's not very good, but I guess I can raise the motor a little bit. Okay, new welding system. So got a new bracket here. This time we welded up the top bracket. So I can show you all the, not prettiest, but not all that bad either, welds. And then we welded some studs to our bracket that mounts into the center bolt, swing arm bolt. Some studs there, so it can go to the motor, and then we have a nut in the bottom, nut in the top. And if we loosen the one on the top and we tighten the one on the bottom, go up, it'll push the motor up, vice versa if we do the opposite. So I can move the motor up and down, and that pivots off of there. And it is sturdy to the bike, which is awesome. This is 1/4 inch plate. You can see my welds on the other side penetrated to the other side and pretty nicely, like that's where the metal is. It isn't all the way over to there. So yeah, I fixed my crappy little welder finally. A little Harbor Freight welder from, I think, early 2000s, maybe late 90s. I bought a new helmet. Yeah.